HFCB.
CQ10, CQ 10 metres. VK 3 FTOM portable. Victor Kilo 3, Foxtrot Tango Oscar Mike portable, calling CQ10 and listener.
Foxtrot portable, Victor Kilo 3, Foxtrot portable, calling
Victor Kilo 3, Foxtrot Tango Oscar Mike portable.
Yeah, sorry, just not quite enough signal to get you. Try the call sign a couple of times.
Victor Kilo 3, Foxtrot Tango Oscar Mike portable, VK3 FTOM portable.
VK3 Foxtrot Hotel Oscar Mike portable, I think 4 and 3 on peaks, over.
QSL, negative, Foxtrot Tango, VK3 F-Tom, VK3 Fox Tango Oscar Mike, Fox Tango Oscar Mike.
Yeah, roger, Tom, got it that time, VK3 Fox Tango Oscar Mike portable, 4 and 3, 43, Tom, over.
QSL on the 43, you're 4 and 1, 41, 4 and 1, 41.
Roger. Thanks, Tom. Lots of QSB today. 7344.
7-3, good luck.
This is VK3 Lima Oscar Charlie, VK3 LOC, Victor Kilo 3 Lima Oscar Charlie mobile, calling CQ on 40 metres and listening over.
Yeah, VK3LOC, VK3FTOM.
Yeah, VK3FTOM, VK3 Alpha Papa in Churchill National Park. Yeah, just copying you there, Tom. You're about a 4x2 at the moment. 4x2. You are coming up and down a bit there, so I'm going to make a few little changes to the antenna. Over.
Yeah, thanks for the 4x2. You're 5 and 6, 56, 5 and 6. And I'm portable. I'm also portable in Lysterfield Park. Just where Lysterfield Lake is. So we're only probably 2-3 kilometres apart.
Roger there, Tom. No worries, mate. I've got you now. Yeah, you've come up to a good readability 5, but an S2. So you're 5x2. So we are going to try on 2 metres if you're around on 146.5. Over.
Yeah, QSL 146.500. I'll give that a shot.
Yeah, no worries, Tom. All right. We'll catch you soon. Thanks for the call, and we'll continue. You're only probably about 3 or 4 kilometres away from us, so it's not too far. We're VK. I'll give you our park number. It's a VKFF0621. VKFF0621. Over.
Yeah, QSL, and I'll leave the handheld monitoring 146.500, and if that's not enough, I've got a small mobile antenna here. Anyway, 7 threes. Good luck.
No worries, Tom. Very good, mate. We'll catch you later. QRZ, VK3 Alpha Papa, calling
The
C.
controller is on the back of the controller. There's a power plug. Pull that power plug out, and then plug it back in. Wait about maybe 10 seconds before you do that, and that will reset everything. That will tell me if it's a controller or a radio issue. So maybe that's all it takes to fix that issue. It's something simple, I'm sure, but just to find where it is. V5 PFL, V5 RJM.